Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to select and change colours in Canva. Before we get started, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel as this really helps me out. So Canva is a really cool graphic design tool that lets you have full control over editing of your designs and images, and colour is one of those things you can edit. So you can see I've got my design open. So I have options to change the colors, the background, and the actual image itself. If I want to change the background, I have to click my mouse onto the background, click at the top on the color palette, and then the options for different colors will come up. So it'll show you like photo colors, so you can use colors the same as your photo. You can use like default solid colors, or you've got options for grading colors. So you can click on each one to see what they look like. And if you don't like what you see, just press back and delete. Some of the gradient colors are quite cool. They go from like dark to light, and they can add something a bit different to your design. And you also have the option to add in the hex codes for your colors. So say if you have colors that you use for your business, you can add the hex codes here. So for example, I've opened this color palette page. So say I was using these colors for my business, I could click on that, get the hex code by clicking on it, and then copy and paste the code. So I'm just going to grab that code, head back to Canva, and put it into the search bar. Then as you can see, the color comes up, and it also gives you suggested palettes. So if I want to use that color, I can click on it, and now I've got a completely new color in my Canva account now. So another option you have is to change the color of the image itself. So if you want to change the color of the image, click on it, and you can see at the top it will give you the options for the colors of your image. So I can click on each one and I can change those. So clicking on there, I can get rid of that hex code. If I just want something normal, I can change parts of the parrot to pink or blue, whatever I feel like. I can also change up the other colors as well by clicking on it. Maybe make that red a bit brighter. Maybe I want to change that to grey. So as you can see, you have loads of options to change the colours on your design. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.